What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Oxnavio Options back again with another YouTube video, guys, or just another video in general, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be posting on this video on the course, or I'm gonna be posting it on YouTube and the course. But we'll see until that time comes. But today, guys, I'm gonna be showing y'all my strategy. And the indicator that I use, it's linked down below. Well, you gotta join my Discord first, and then it's gonna be in the indicator tab. I made this indicator myself, boys, and this shit's cooking, boys. 80% to 90% accurate win rate chat. No bullshit, no cap. It's free. Free. It's all in the Discord, guys. It's all in the Discord, and I'm gonna be dropping a course soon in a couple of days, either Monday or tomorrow. But I'm working on that, guys. Working on some videos to post in the course as well, and just making heat ass motherfucking content for y'all, boys. So let's get into this video, guys. Join the Discord down below. Drop a like and subscribe, guys. This is all free content. You know what I'm saying? So look, I want to show y'all. I'm working on this on my course thing, and I'm not gonna show y'all too much, but you can see, guys. I'm adding stuff to it little by little, adding more to it. It's pages on pages on pages, guys. And then master in physiology, and then we got this tab, free indicators as well. You click this link, chat. Click this link on that whoop link down below. If I put it there, it's not there. It's on the Discord, guys. If it's not there, I have not dropped the course yet. But it's all gonna be in the course, guys. The indicator and everything is gonna be down in the Discord and in the course, guys. But you click this link. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just copy and paste. It's not gonna do that. But once you click it, guys, this is gonna be this is the indicator I made, guys. This is what it's gonna look like, and all you do is come down here, press that little star. I already have mine added to my favorites on indicators. Make sure you're logged into your right account and the trading account that you're in. Make sure you're logged in into the account that you're trading on, for you can have it starred or favorite on the right account, etc., etc. So all you do is click it, and then you go to your trading view, etc., etc., and you're gonna have it up here. Basically, it's gonna be called stock EMA 20 high, 50 high, and the 200 high. That's what it's gonna call. I'm gonna show you the settings on it, and copy these exact settings on it, guys. Make sure y'all have the exact settings on it. This is crucial. Make sure you have the exact settings on this. I changed them. That's what I'm telling you. It's crucial y'all have them the same as mine. Okay, so look, the length is 20, it's high, 0, 50, high, and then 0, and then the length 200, and then high, offset 0. Alright, yeah, you get it, chat. But make sure it's the exact same. Look back, pause it. Let's go to style. Same thing. I changed stuff from here. Make sure it's the exact same, guys. It is very crucial, guys. This fucking indicator pays. Better get it now before I start charging for it. I'm that ass, but y'all better get this shit. Save it, like I said, save it. Copy the settings, guys. Pause it, but it should be in your indicators tab and your favorite, and then right here. It should be. This is what it should be called right here. Uh, the stochastic moving average filtering, and it should be dank gang jamman. Alright, guys. I bet you're going to click it. You copy my settings, right? And you can see, look, we have patterns. EMA's crossed on the 1 hour. We have complete sell side. It just rides the VWAP. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. Y'all have to add the VWAP as well. Where that? It's that 200 VWAP. It's that line. It's that red line. It's your 200-day moving average. It's really important, guys. So look, right here, you can see we crossed them. We crossed right here the EMAs and the 200 uh days. Fuck. I just had a fucking a brain fart. Excuse me. Okay, so you can see the VWAP 200 EMA and my EMAs, my 50s, my 50 and my 20-day. So one of them is my 20-day EMA, my 50, and then my 200. But my Bollinger is what my 20, my 50 is, and my 200 is my moving average. So once they cross and the 200 is under the Bollinger Bands, aka your EMAs, you ride that bitch. You would have bought after this touch right here. As you can see, look. Once we cross, it was a buy for 1 day. For 2 days, you would have taken TP off of that day, the second day high, and boom, you see we went back to resistance until we came back and we fluctuated back to that buy side to buy side, and it fluctuated. And what do we do? We rallied. You would have bought in right here again. 1 day bull, 2 day bull, 3 day bull, all the way up to 26. So if you would have bought in at this low, which would have been at 22, and would have sold at 26, that's fucking gains right there. That's $4 right there. That's a $4 move. And then if we go lower in the time frame, you can see where we're touched highs. Hold up. Let me go back over there. You can see where we touched that high on that 5th day bull run on the 5th day. You see we crossed midday. You could have taken profit right here for that long 22 from this long down here. Look at this, guys. Buy. EMA's crossed. Or buy right here. First EMA cross. Buy down here. Hold. EMA's crossed again for that second confluence buyers. And look, you would have just ride this 200 EMA. That's over 1,000% right there, bro. That's from fucking $22 all the way to $26.50. You know what I mean? And then we go for the consolidation area until we go for another buy right here. You see EMAs and 200 crossed. You would have ride this 200 EMA and this EMAs, the 50 and the 20. You would have taken profit at this second day bull run high. Check the S&P 500. You can see, look, we crossed the EMAs on a 30-minute, 1 day bull, 2 day bull, 3 day bull. Look at that, from 545 all the way to 554, guys. You could have been writing this shit, and all it's doing is writing the EMAs. Look, touch the EMAs one time on that day, touch the EMAs on this time another time, and what is it going to do on this 5th day? It's going to break into this EMAs and it's going to make a sell side, or it's going to bounce right back out of this EMAs to reject back to these highs. Like, this is so, like, it's in your face, guys. Look, crossed on a 3-minute. Okay, that's a sell. Boom. That's that move from 547 all the way down to 542. That's insane, bro. And what do we do again? We went to go touch those lows that previous day. So this would have been your confidential sell down here at this low at 542.50. And then what do we do after that? We found our lows. What? 544 buy? Boom! Shit rocked, dude. Same thing right here. Look. Sell up here. Ride the EMAs. Until we break above the EMAs or until we break above the VWAP. Which would be this break. That's your sell. Or you want to sell low right here. Which would be your ideal. That's your 2-day sell off. This low. After that EMA cross. You see that? It can help you on the longer term runs too. Boom. Boom. Buyers. Bounced. Buyers bounce. Look. Oh, we had a sell here. We kind of just conflicted. Like kind of curved back down. You can see. Boom. Until we fucking went back up. EMA's crossed. It's more clear on the 1 hour. EMA's crossed on Wednesday, April 10th. That would have been your short. Your short from 519 all the way down to 493. That is in fucking insane. I'm telling you guys. 90% win rate. This indicator, guys. Link down below, guys. Link down below. Join the fucking Discord. Join the follow and subscribe to the YouTube. Because that's where I'm going to be showing you how to use this indicator, guys. Look. That's a $25 move down. puts would have fucking printed. That's just an hourly sell. Boom, we got a buy now right here. On this 506 area. What'd you do? You would have bought right here and nothing. Nothing but hold the EMAs. Look, we did not break under this EMA. Nothing. No candles closed under this EMA. Under the lower EMA. Until what? This sell side candle got this sell side closed under this EMA. What did that and fluctuate? Sell side. Right after that. Look at the sell side that happened right after that EMA closed right here under that. This would have been your sell side break. Right here, that would have been your sell side, guys. You would have sold that day. After buying all the way down here at 506, would have sold up here at this candle close under that lower EMA. You want to close, when you're buying calls, you want to close when we break under this Bollinger EMA. That's your sell side. And then whenever, look, we cross here, boom, you buy. Buy. Boom. You see? It's holding it. It's crazy, guys. It's all down below, guys. Just link down below. I'm dropping a course soon, guys. It's all going to be on the YouTube. You can backtest this shit yourself, too. 3 minutes. I like this on the 3 minutes. Because I actually listen to this in 3 minutes. Like, I get a 1 minute sale. Okay, I'm expecting a 3 minute sale now. Okay, I got a 3 minute sale. Okay, I'm going to get a 5 minute sale. And like you ride your fucking trend. Look right here, guys. Crossed the EMAs on the 3 minute and fluctuated a sell right here. From 549, the EMAs crossed on a 3 minute. That after this touch on the VWAP, it absolutely dumped. You always want to wait. Either way we break. If we break above to the buy side, you want to wait for that liquidity sweep back down to that 200 EMA to ride that shit back to the upside long. Now, if we break to the downside, it's going to be the other way opposite. EMAs are going to be down. The VWAP is going to be on top, just like right here. You know what I'm saying? But, like, this is, like, the video. Don't worry about my levels, guys. I've been trading it. But look. We've been kind of, you can see that we've been in a sell-off at this section portion right here. But what do we do just now right here on the 1 hour? We gotta buy. The EMA's crossed right here. What are we doing right now? We're touching the VWAP. I'm expecting this in the video to retrace back to these highs by the end of this week. Come back to this video and check by the end of this week where the video is at. And if it's above this above this previous high at 129, suck my balls. Tell me that this EMA did not work. Alright? But you can see EMA's crossed on the 1 hour right here. Boom, that fluctuated a buy from $85 all the way down, all the way up to right here where we broke out of our Bollinger Band, all the way to $134. That's an hourly bull run, guys, with these EMAs. Yes, it's a multi-day run, cause look, it's 1 day. It's like a shit ton of days, but dude, these EMAs are holding. It's nothing but up. You know what I'm saying, chat? Look. Created a sell right here. EMA's crossed. Exactly at this rejection EMA. What do we do? $90 all the way down to $75. That's when we broke back into this right here. This is where we broke back into the EMAs. That would have been your sell after this Monday, April 22nd. Look at this, guys. You could have been writing this. Now, obviously, you're not going to go in for an intraday run because you're not swinging this months off of months. But you would be running this off of that 1 minute, guys. Look. We got sell side here. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minute, 15 minute. Look. EMA's crossed after this sell side. Look, sell side right here from 121. 121 all the way down to 118. Found our bottom and crossed at the same day's orb. What did we do that next day? We broke structure pre-market. That next day we secured it buy. Look, pre-market, the buy. What you would have done this day? You would have just bought, sold at the high. What do we do after that? We just rode. Look, holding the VWAPs. Yes, we're closed under it just to find support, but yeah, what are we doing? We're holding VWAPs until the EMAs cross, and then that's a sell. Look, when the EMAs cross, that's when it's gonna go down a red day. Same thing. If y'all want to know a little trick, of the market closes red, be expecting for a red day the next day. So, for example, S&P closes green Friday. I'm expecting Monday to be green, right? Monday closes green on S&P 500. I'm expecting Tuesday to be green. If the S&P closes red, I'm expecting next day to be red. It can always be like that, obviously, because there's going to be those reversal days, and that's what you got to look out for, and that's why you have your EMAs and your 200 VWAP. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, y'all make sure y'all go check out that indicator link down below my Discord. Go join it. I'm going to be uploading this video on YouTube as well on how to use this indicator. Um, Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you for the much love and support. Like I said, come down to this link down below, guys. Click favorite this indicator, guys. Use it. I'm not doing this for no money, no bread, no none of that shit. This is all free. This is all free. I made this shit. I made this shit for myself. I've been backtesting this for 2 years since I've been day trading. And let me tell you guys, it have helped me to make well over 20K. 20K band, boys. Real shit. So guys, get to it, get to work. I don't know what y'all doing. Follow the YouTube. Videos gonna be posted there soon. We're fucking growing little by little, boys. Oh yeah, I like it. Dropping a course soon, guys. Look, y'all can see where I've been writing shit, and then I back to this side now. You know what I mean? I upload it to the PDFs. But guys, stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, peace out. Thank y'all. Hope y'all like it, guys. Comment down below what y'all want to see, and please subscribe. Trying to get to 100, please. Later, boys. Peace.